Imagine a city where skyscrapers are not cold towers of steel and glass, but living mountains covered in trees, vines, and gardens. Singapore has redefined what urban living can be by weaving nature directly into its architecture. In a place where land is scarce and density is high, buildings don't push nature away, they invite it upward. Vertical gardens climb facades, sky parks replace rooftops, and entire ecosystems thrive dozens of floors above the street. These green skyscrapers are powered by innovative engineering. Rainwater is captured and reused, natural ventilation reduces energy demand, and plants act as living insulation, cooling buildings while filtering air. Birds, insects, and native plants return to the skyline, transforming concrete corridors into breathing habitats. Nature here is not decoration, it is structure, function, and philosophy combined. Singapore's approach solves a growing global problem: how to house millions without suffocating the planet. By turning density into opportunity, the city proves that sustainability and modern life can grow together. These towers show a future where urban centers don't fight nature, but rise with it. As cities expand worldwide, Singapore's green skyscrapers stand as a powerful vision of tomorrow, where living higher also means living greener. Ixora Info and tanmarket.com